Good morning, people. How are you doing this morning? Yesterday there was a vaccination drive for all the dogs of the areas. Actually, I wanted to remove a video, but by the time I came, they had already gone away. I just saw few people. So this it was a very interesting thing. Good, the people are taking care of the domestic and wild dogs over here. So they had given them injections for that rabies and all that thing, because there are many cases of dogs biting people. So the whole community should come together to eradicate this kind of things happening in society. The dogs that are biting the people, they should be removed from each and every society and not kept here, because they are not doing it on purpose. They are animals, but there are also some people who are supporting the dogs for unnecessary reasons. The dogs that have to be taken out, they have to be taken out. The ones who are in good care and they are not causing any trouble and all, it's no matter that they stay, it's not a problem. But the dogs that are biting people around, this is a very dangerous thing that's happening. I just checked on Google and they say that around 1 lakh people are there are cases of dog bites. So this is a very serious matter. I think the whole society should come together as one and try to eradicate this problem from the society once for all. Check the population, the breed, because there are too many dogs around. So that creates a lot of nuisance. And elders, okay, fine, I've been bitten once or twice in my lifetime. But the thing is, the children and all, you should be very careful of the children's, because they are more prone, and it can affect them also so much. So I am urging everybody, whoever is watching my video, is to try to take this thing seriously, because it's become a very serious thing everywhere. Children and old people are being bitten by dogs, the stray dogs here. So now, some days back only, there was an incident in my colony that the dog had bitten 2-3 people. Then the one who had got bitten, they went to the police station, they filed a case and everything, and now they are trying to get the dogs out. But who's going to do the task? That is the thing. So waiting and watching what's going to happen. Anyway, start the day morning with your prayers, in with whatever God you believe in. Let's start this day with peace, harmony, joy, and love for everybody, and peace in the world. Let's pray for the peace in the world. Thank you for viewing. Like and subscribe, your choice.